Things. Tsu. This counter is used for counting general objects. Usually small items or things with no specific counter. Hitotsu, futatsu, mitsu, yutsu, itsutsu, motsu, nanatsu, yatsu, kokonotsu, to. Ikotsu, how many? Persons, nin. This counter is used for counting people. Note that 1 and 2 have unique readings. Hitori, fotari, sannen, yonen, gonen, rokonen, nananen, shichinen, hachinen, kyonen, jonen. Nanin, how many? Order, ban. This counter is used for indicating order or rank. Ichiban, Niban, Sangban, Yongban, Goban, Rokoban, Nanaban, Hachiban, Kyoban, Joban. Nanban, how many? Thin and flat things, mai. This counter is used for counting thin and flat objects like paper, plates, etc. Ichimai, Nimai, Sanmai, Yonmai, Gomai, Rokomai, Nanamai, Hachimai, Kyomai, Jomai, Nanmai, how many? Machines and vehicles, Dai. This counter is used for counting machines, vehicles, etc. Ichidai, Nidai, Sandai, Yondai, Godai, Rokodai, Nanadai, Hachidai, Kyodai, Judai, Nandai, how many? Age, Sai. This counter is used for counting years of age. Note that 1, 8, and 10 have irregular readings. Isai, Nisai, Sansai, Yonsai, Gosai, Rokosai, Nanasai, Hassai, Kyosai, Josai, Jisai, Nansai, how many? Books and notebooks, Satsu. This counter is used for counting bound volumes such as books and notebooks. Isatsu, Nisatsu, Sensatsu, Yonsatsu, Gosatsu, Rokosatsu, Nanasatsu, Hasatsu, Kyosatsu, Josatsu, Jisatsu, Nansatsu, how many? Clothes, Chaku. This counter is used for counting articles of clothing. Ichaku, Nichaku, Sanchaku, Yonchaku, Gochaku, Rokonachaku, Nanachaku, Hachaku, Kyochaku, Jushaku, Jichaku, Nanchaku, how many? Frequency, Kai. This counter is used for counting the number of times something happens. Ikkai, Nikkai, Sankai, Yonkai, Gokai, Rokkai, Nanakai, Hachikai, Kyokai, Jokai, Jikai, Nankai, how many? Small things, Ko. This counter is used for counting small objects. Ikku, Nikku, Sanku, Yonku, Goku, Roku, Nanaku, Haku, Kyoku, Joku, Jiku, Nanku, shoes and socks. Suku. This counter is used for counting pairs of shoes, socks, etc. Isuku, Nisuku, Sanzuku, Yonsuku, Gosuku, Rokusuku, Nanasuku, Hasuku, Kyosuku, Josuku, Jesuku, Nanzuku, how many? Houses, ken. This counter is used for counting houses or buildings. Ikken, nigen, sangen, yonken, goken, rokken, nanaken, hakken, kyuken, jikken, jukken, nanken, how many? Floors of a building, kai. This counter is used for counting the floors or levels of a building. Ikkai, nikkai, sangai, yonggai, yonkai, gokai, rokkai, nanakai, hakkai, kyokai, jokkai, jikkai, nangai, how many? Thin and long theans, hon. This counter is used for counting long and cylindrical objects such as pencils, bottles, etc. Ippon, nihon, sanbon, yonhon, gohon, ruppon, nanahon, happon, kyuhon, juppon, jippon, nanbon, how many? Drinks and so on in cups and glasses. Hai. This counter is used for counting drinks in cups, glasses, or bowls. Ippai, nihai, sanbai, yonhai, gohai, ruppai, nanahai, happai, kyohai, juppai, jippai, nanbai, how many? Small animals, fish, and insects. Hiki. This counter is used for counting small animals, fish, and insects. Ipiki, nihiki, sambiki, yonhiki, gohiki, rupiki, nanahiki, hapiki, kyohiki, jupiki, jipiki, nanbiki, how many? These counters are quite specific, so it's important to use the correct one depending on what you are counting. Each counter has its unique pronunciation, especially for numbers like 1, 3, 6, 8, and 10, which often involve sound changes for easier pronunciation. These counters are essential in Japanese, as different objects often require different counters. Learning them with the numbers will help in day-to-day conversations and understanding quantities in various contexts. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Matane!